Welcome to the video tutorials of mekanizmalar channel. The cardan gear mechanism is invented by Girolamo Cardano in the 16th century. It is used to convert rotation motion to reciprocating linear motion, without using linkages or slideways. In order to achieve this, the gear ratio of the large gear to the small gear should be 2:1. Here the red line length is equal to the distance between the centers of the large yellow gear, to the center of outer small gear. If this distance is equal to d, then the tip of the arm travels 4d for each revolution of the triangle block. Assuming that the radius of the outer gear is r, the length of the maximum straight line would be 20 r. This is because the red line length donated by d becomes 5 r. Thank you for watching our videos. We appreciate if you rate our videos and subscribe to our channel.